Iwe no kafino, anana fie negere. Iwe no keke fie, anana no fie no say. Ugaya uve ya uwe, ugaya five ya fiwe. Ona elegbewi ona eboti ana tuone. Iwe legbewi na kiyo ona eboti ana tuone. Ugaya uve ya uwe, ugaya five ya fiwe. Ona elegbewi ona eboti ana tuone. Iwe legbewi na kiyo ona eboti ana tuone.
Sister, mon nom.
Iwe no keke fi anana no fie no say. Ugaya uve ya uwe, ugaya.
Listen. You hear what I'm talking about now? It's very painful. You hear what my disease, but you need to pull yourself together so that you can achieve a minutualo. I guess you want to be a big girl. Yes. You want to make hero. You want to bury out and say, this is the right place to be. But you can't be like this and be there. Wawa na wani, I have over 5 girls. And Wawa Sola, Wadi will walk you out. And then you go back to the street. You know what, you don't have anywhere to go. So you need to put up a smile and act like everything is okay. The moment you move away, you can cry all you want. But for now, do not cry. Promise me that.
Iwe no keke fi no fi no say. Ugaya uve ya uwe, ugaya five ya fiwe. Ona elegbewi ona eboti ana tuwana. Iwe legbewi na kiyo ona na eboti.
So
hey! Mama D! You get lost!
Hey, you carry out yes, no. Hey, you are the funky one. Yes, no. Tell me where you're. Zagaza. Yeah. So, you get it?
So,
Bola baby.
Mama,
I trust your judgment. I want to make you trust someone.
Mama, good girl was gonna be careful. Come on, sit. Come on, for this shirt. Come on, sit. Sit down. Come on.
What are you doing? I don't understand.
The day person they smell. You feel sleep with 17 men for 1 night.
The weather is not 24 now.
24? A more of your give off and later.
Look
tell him now, look tell him. What I want to go for him?
Bola.
Like you know they like anything black. You go fit you, now me you know. Now organic babe, but say they rub her skin. They rub your skin. Umi go ya do you man. I go meet this one. Salomon where?
Who cares Saloka Kebata?
I'm starting my name, my own. Salute.
Oh, he gonna get a gun. You need a shake it for the $6 now. See money now. Eh?
Nonsense. Arrant nonsense. What have we going on here? Peanuts, man. A peanut you were running out of Vaba. What for? You form my hand, oh. Yeah, Uber mess up big time. How many times will I tell you, do not run anybody over for peanuts? We do the real deal here. You have to be very careful because if you will be soon, you won't like it. What is this? It's not triumph again.
Ma, this one my best now.
Fire for this your girl.
When they suffocate mama now, they give her British.
They run this down for peanuts. Go
they
just
pay off remove body.
God.
Mama, see, I get better update where go share you. You know those guys where you say me they suffer they look, they get better parole where they want run. Mama, if I dey talk about parole, not be small money oh. I dey talk about $20 million.
Kula,
I know they come for market again not day, mama now. I know they do double work for nothing. Money
hey,
Kula.
Hey, shut up. Shut up. When people like Bola they talk to me, you go shut up. You dey craze. What the body know me? Bella. My girl, mama, you see this way you tell me so. I want you. If you come run now, everything come for put.
Normally must for put because I gather the details.
Be 3 million naira richer.
Mama, G!
Tell you.
Now let you dey run now.
Yeah, you don't run for me. I beg, I send you every other girls right now. Make them get ready. We are hitting them tonight.
Ah, Mama T, if skin no full, no full body. You no get money, they spray perfume. You want impress? Hello. Bola. On a power so we go wa give us one original thing. Anything where you dey trouser, you just open for them. You know they like people as you say they kill you for your past life. You know you're the user as you go. His skin no full, no full body. You no get anointing, you wan go dey deliver ogbenje. I no understand. How you take dey happen now? We dey hard now. You just dey share teeth, na that one just reach your own. Anything wey don wear trouser. Normally, na your leg suppose to be gbola, no be me. How you take fit me? You know say me I no dey quick come. Na money dey make me come. Even you dey. Where the girls are?
If you want to die, just cross my way and you rest in peace and go so soon. Iwe no kafi no, anana fi enekere.
What can you say? Okwa. Just can't be this one. Eh? Anyway, I go. Take it easy. You should be taking easy.
You mom no son, no son. Because of jealousy, you killed your brother.
Because we almost sick. Eh? I'm not going to do careless matter. See, just observe me. Maybe relax, baby. Relax, relax. Take notes. Go, now. Every egg the way, every egg gets it away. Take a straight, tight. Come on, take it tight. Careless take if you will take you. She understand. She they get to. They see her. She understand. And one thing again you should know. Different skills are shoes. Me mama, no wear or take order and shoes. Yeah? Only one day different. Mama only. She understand. Or even go say, you are happy, don't go away mature. You understand now? Or you say, I don't sorry. Because as in short, you do observation, you get observation of the body, you observe, just give on. She understand? Now when you say don't go down, mature, yeah, shoot. And you are female, you don't go mature. She understand? So, you will take care now. Maybe I'm going to go. My treasure release. I didn't stop now. Wait. Take easy. You see, take easy. Not be your president and teach this guy to hold this gun.
Remember that you said that.
Yeah, Daddy. Well, one of you, why are you firing squad now? What are you feeling now? No, you turn now. Police with me. No, you turn. One straight. We will come back.
Wow, let's concentrate. Calm down, yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? Me, I don't tire. I don't want to teach this girl work. No, I don't teach you work. See again. Carry me, carry me. When you mean it, what's it? I don't want to teach you work. And this is a very pretty class.
No, I don't hear, mommy.
Yeah. This so.
No, you know, you're not having to dinner, so. Oh, well, you're not the last, but I don't mind. Yeah, one good. Not just time, not all of us. So then now, even though we close, we feel any object we want. So just anyone when you there.
Your power, die, but might die. Your power. One must say, Quakeca.
And they killed my mother and made life miserable for me. Everybody lie down! Now! I said lie down! Lie down! Lie down! Are you mad? Lie down! very stupid.
Shut up! I said shut up! Shut up! Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That's good you're there for them.
No.
Who asked you for melody?
No.
Talk too much. Do you even have money to pay for your life right now? Why is it that horrible there? I'm not here for your money. I'm here for your life. Zagaza!
Mama.
Bust this my head! For me to avenge my family's death. Yes, I will play along.
How can you tell me a serpent naked in the way Mark set him?
Inspector,
I'm highly disappointed in you.
I'm sorry, sir.
We may even wear we got a post to wear now. But post in our dear do. My brother. Oh, car. Inspector,
sorry, sir.
I'm disappointed in you. I'm giving you 48 hours. Because in less than 48 hours, you'll be in problem. If post you were bonu, no abuya Boko Haram. Because a government here Romoru, I have promised them where Ukpo Simena or Lari. You only bear every yow, no sense.
Sorry, sir.
My friend, Achian,
Chanson.
no problem.
Yes, sir.
Boys, yeah, come down, let's go.
Talk to them, they take coming. Una see us to mess ourselves up so we go for that mission. This time when I met you, all of them they grumble. One move, baby, especially in jail. No one tell me, Mama, I broke. Where now we want to go? If not be say I get my underground informant, I will for take days. I get my personal person for inside that police station. We will give me information. You tell me say road no clear that day. Yes, now. Why you feel say you know the bear over wine? Because I don't know ask my man what to think the matter. But I don't see the percussion and say, now danger will go later. You see those guys where go, battle that no, it was awful.
Praise the Lord.
Abenje. Abesi. Ya go wa go. Mona take am. Because he get to when the thing is so, we don't let our lesson Dola, hold that matter there. I don't believe as a matter of fact. No, no. Now,
Mama, might throw away for you.
Well, now kill yourself.
You want to impress her now? Kill yourself.
Might throw away for you. On your WhatsApp, who?
Here I'm not down.
Oh, my God, now. What am I doing? I'm free. Come on, Daddy, I'm I can't worry. Daddy, come on, come on.
Really appreciate
No, don't push it. Don't let me talk.
What's it, Kakabo? I really appreciate it. What's it?
What's anyway?
Anyway, you carry about, you can call me UK.
Ah, you don't mean it. You carry up. You can't know what anymore. The greater you are.
UK.
Oh, Allah, we be. You said you boy, last kill face when again.
Oh, sorry, my bad. But anyway. Oh, Davy.
Yes.
David did not be Goliath, no, I did not know.
No, really. Coming with was my around again. We are already can you marry when you go, Mama? Cancel it.
You don't mean it.
I mean it. It can really hurry. Whatever you are doing to, you know. Yeah, I'm aware here. At the learner, my wife drive out, okay?
Where's the Harry? Appreciate it.
We're saying we're not with you. But use me as your driver. Okay? Pull you.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
Too much for you. Yeah, too like this.
Oh, wow, I'm using tobacco. The whole engine run out. The wow,
If I haven't been so much with it, if so much with it,
What's the one year I did try?
Yes, now.
if I said I said that this now.
I said, anyway, Mama, we don't want to be there.
If I get when my date sugar, you are a jungle. You have a date sugar. Yes, now I have to no more now.
Okay, to the Lord.
Hey,
what I am musician. To do it while we make a song.
I was sad again.
No, to be frank, or even I don't want to do it again. Yeah, where all would it be till oh, one way. Or I don't want to do it again. What I don't want to do it again. Who watch it 5 minutes time? I'm sorry. Because I didn't be a lady. I can be a lady because who enjoy. Oh, I didn't win no one. It didn't give me love. Enjoy.
2 hours. Yeah, 2 more.
No matter woman, and I may not be no father. You know what I want to buy? The wow one.
I hear it enough.
Every quarter of
oh, man, see how we see how you street where area to yes, as we road trigger like this, if I'm a trigger and a road
obey what you moon and sleep beside me.
If I'm not physically, I'm not physically.
Equal much of equal something better than me.
But you get what?
So where?
As in, just normal stroll.
Lies! Lies! How dare you? How dare you? A client me. Oh, no business in the man. What are you doing here? What for?
Now you sleep with her. Why you do like this?
How will I go in there?
Angel, that's what you be.
That's what kind of embarrassment is this? You have the guts, the infantry. What are you doing a client man? You know what? Just take yourself upstairs. Take yourself there and lock yourself up until I say otherwise. Get out! Get out of the room! Get out! Get out! What is this? What is this? I guess now you're moving. They want to put me into trouble.
Iwe no kafino, anana fiye negere.
Look at that comfortable.
Wow, what nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yes,
It's beautiful.
yes. Yeah, like wow. I mean, you know, all 50 months ago.
Oh, stop. You're funny. Yeah,
Well, I must say,
you're flattering me, Joe.
One first time I know what I'm
For now, I don't think I need anything.
Don't tell me that. I woke up with a
And for you, yeah, I'm a little, but for now, no.
Okay. No problem. And then,
You got graduate now. I finished serving.
you graduate?
Yes.
Don't mean it.
That's serving now. We're in Nigeria. When I
I understand. I knew it.
So for now, online business here.
Oh, like what do you say?
I'll guess wear shoes, bags, even yeah.
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 I mean, I think English, you know me.
Yeah, something like this.
Okay, I'll put it on. So we have one way now where we are saying. Cool.
So what about you?
We can't go my way.
No.
What's in just what is?
Yes, I'm a doctor.
Also, yeah, just show them the road. We know not you know only the where police officer. Yeah, my OC anti-cultist department, and I work with TCID. So, what happened?
No. Well, where police is he?
Malaki the worker.
No. Police now, our friend now.
Yeah.
It's a fine job.
You know, I'm here to secure you.
Yeah.
You know what?
And I used to see, okay, just bring water.
First time I ever went out, come on, baby, I'm coming. 1 minute.
Alright.
Okay.
Police. The police. Ivela, police.
Oye, battery, no.
What's this guy? I'm at it here. You can. Let's go. Let's go. You can. Move here. You can. Give me this shot. What? Hello? Dola? Yes, my way me here for you. My pick up and just be at alert. Alright. No lele. Let's go.
Asukpe ve na e we gbe so.
Yeah, come pitch wow.